What's up guys, welcome back to another YouTube video. It's cool, Nelson HD here. I'm on holiday, I'm just back from holiday now. We did tropical ice and mixed belly. Now we're gonna do some gumball orange. So let's open it up here. Smells nice, probably gonna become out orange. But I did expect. Like probably about half a pint. So smell test. Nice. Taste test now. No, I don't want to taste it. It's definitely because of course it's vodka. It tastes nice. 9.9 out of 10. Taste smell test 9.5 out of 10. So I would take tropical ice in first place, then gumball orange, and then probably mixed berry. So yeah, Prime Halesley, Man United fan Halesley, wearing my hat. So now we've got the trim. So yeah, nice. Like and subscribe. See you next time for another YouTube video. Bye.